Hello adventure fans! Just so you know, I'm out on Vancouver Island with my family. My mother-in-law down there, hubby and father-in-law down there, and we're actually on Mount Washington right now, so we can take the drone for its inaugural flight. Somewhere up there. It's pretty tiny, it's hard to see. Camera doesn't want to register it. But yeah, it's kind of excited. It's beautiful up here, and we're just off a secluded little side road, so we're not bothering anybody and not getting the drone in the way of anybody else. So yeah. So I hope we got some good footage, and I'm excited to see what we got. Until next time, go outside, find your adventure. We driving back came across this little clearing that's just right on the edge of the no-fly zones, but we can see the ocean from here, which is kind of one of the views that we definitely wanted, so we stopped, put the drone up, had a great time. I'm really excited to show you guys the footage.